Hello everyone, welcome to this next video of basic kanji learning. And today we are going to learn remaining kanjis for days of the week. Last time we have seen the kanji for Nichiyobi and Getsuyobi. Today let's start from Kayobi. Ka is fire. So let's start from the first kanji for today, which is the kanji of fire. Okay. Yes. The first kanji here is the kanji of fire. If you can see this kanji, you can visualize a fire with flames. Okay, fire and flames. Ka or he. Kayobi is Tuesday. He is fire. Kaji is also fire. Jishin is earthquake and Kaji is fire. Then Kazan is volcano. Hanabi is fireworks. Shokaki is fire extinguisher. This Kazan, there should be a kanji of fire here. So it should be actually like this. Kazan. Okay. Then next one is the kanji of water. Sui or mizu. Water is sui or mizu. Suiyobi, Wednesday. Mizu is water, drinking water, nomi mizu. Then suiei is swimming. Suido is water supply. Mizugi is bathing suit. And kosui is perfume. These are the different words related to mizu or sui. How will you remember this kanji? It looks something like K, isn't it? English letter K. And this is like katakana fu. Yes, looking like katakana fu. And K. Then next one is tree. Moku or ki. Readings are moku or ki. This kanji literally looks like roots of the tree. This is the surface and these are the roots. So this is something like a tree. Mokuyobi is Thursday. Ki is tree. Then Kimura-san. Kimura is a Japanese surname. That is Mr. Kimura. Mokusei is Jupiter. Taiboku is big tree. This is the kanji of Oki, that is big tree. Taiboku. Then Kokage is shade of a tree. Kage is shadow. Kokage, shade of a tree. Okay. Then next kanji is for gold or money. Same kanji has two different meanings, gold or money, which is the readings are kin or kane. Kin is gold and kane is the word for money. Okane. You might have heard this word. Okane is money. Kinyobi, Friday. Okane is money. Okane mochi, rich person. Mochimas is to have. The person who has money. Okane mochi is rich person. Then ryokin is charge. Genkin, cash. Gen is original. Original money is cash. And zeikin is tax. Now, if you see this kanji, you can remember it like a gold mine. Okay. This is something like a mountain. And if you dig inside the soil, here you will have something like gold particles. So this is a picture of a gold mine. Okay. Kin or kane. And the last one for today is the kanji for soil. Do, to or tsuchi. Kun reading is tsuchi. Doyobi is Saturday. Tsuchi is soil. Omiyage, souvenir. Omiyage. Then this is a special word where this kanji is not reading as do, to, or tsuchi, but this kanji is there in omiyage. So please remember these special words separately. Okay. Tochi is land. Dosei is Saturn. And Nendo is clay. These are the different words based on this kanji. For the beginner level, you are not expected to read, remember each and every word. But yes, basic words like doyobi, tsuchi, these you have to remember. Okay. So today we have learned these 5 kanjis. Ka or he, sui or mizu, muku or ki, kin or kane, do, to, or tsuchi. Okay. And here we are done with the kanjis for days of the week. Okay. We'll continue learning these basic kanjis in the next video. Okay. See you in the next video. Thank you.